My name is Dr. Mary Ann McNeilis, and when I first went to Cambodia, I realized the need of the pastors and the church workers to have a way that they could help their people that was inexpensive and that would promote the love of Jesus and let the people of the Buddhist mindset understand the love of God in a more tangible manner. As a result, I wrote a little book called God's Healing Way, which would be a manual, a simple manual for helping to train the workers. I made it originally in the English language for easy translation, and in it we put the 8 laws of good health, a simple rendition of the benefits of exercise and sunlight and good nutrition. And we also put some simple remedies that they could easily do, like water treatment, such as a hot foot bath, contrast bath, and also the use of charcoal being readily available in these countries. The third part of the book is actually a part that I appreciate a lot because we know that in the last days the devil will work miracles, and drugs and conventional medicine will not always be available in difficult times. Therefore, God gave us as his end-time people a very specific instruction of how to use simple, effective means to help with disease. And so I put in their Bible and Spirit of Prophecy of how God favors and approves the use of natural remedies. And that's the third part. From starting with Cambodia, which was our first translation of this book, this is the Cambodian God's Healing Way here. After that, it was translated into a number of other languages. This is the Burmese edition of God's Healing Way for Myanmar. This is the Vietnamese God's Healing Way for Vietnam. And we also include in this the refugees, the Vietnamese refugees and refugees from Myanmar and Cambodia, not only in their homeland but also here in the United States. And this is the Lao edition of God's Healing Way. And not pictured, I also have a Thai edition. This has been a blessing to help the pastors and Bible workers. And in many of these missions, especially the Cambodian mission, all of the pastors, all of the church planters, virtually all of the literacy teachers, and many of the church members know how to apply God's Healing Way. And we also have medical missionary workers, which are simply lay people who understand and love God and do Bible studies in their church. We also now are training them in this method. My contact information is through Adventist Southeast Asia Projects, ASAP. But also, if anyone is interested in the book God's Healing Way, it is in French and Spanish and English, which we have over here on the table. And that is available through my husband and myself, Mercy Valley Farm. And it's 18123 Deer, D-E-E-R, Road, Lanesboro, Lanesboro, Minnesota, 55949. Area code 507-467-3508.